Yeah, what's up, guys? It's been a while. So, actually, I just want to, in this video, I want to show you how to trade pullbacks. And the reality is that a lot of people make some mistakes when it comes to trading pullbacks. You know, when you are trading or following a trend and you are waiting for the price to retrace, how do you know when to enter the market and when to enter the market? Basically, what are the signals that tells you that the market is about to continue that trend? So in this video, I'm going to show you all that, and I want you to watch the video to the end so that you can grab the knowledge in full. Okay, so we'll go to my computer screen. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I will advise you do, so that you can learn so many things when it comes to trading, when it comes to crypto trading, when it comes to forex trading. Okay, this what I'm about to explain here can be applied in forex, can be applied in crypto. And if you want to be a master of trading, you want to become professional, just like myself. You want to be able to pass this knowledge to other people as well. Then you may want to consider buying my course, which is linked in the description. If you check the description, you will see the course. And if you want to get a training from me, if you want me to mentor you, you want me to mentor you, you want me to guide you through things, you want to have access to me directly where you can ask me questions related to trading and stocks or anything, then check my bio. You will see my Telegram link there. Just send me a message, and I will add you to my academy where you learn all these things. But right now, let's go to my computer screen so that I can show you how to trade pullbacks in a very, very, very good way. Okay, so now this is my computer screen. So let me explain what I mean to you. Okay, so before you enter a trade, you need to be extra careful. You need to be sure that this trade is going to go in your direction. Let's say, for example, you have a trend. Okay, let's say market. Let me just take my tool. Okay, let's say you have markets going up like this, making higher high and higher lows like this. Okay, making higher high and higher low. Then the markets go up. Okay, the markets go up, and then you are waiting for a pullback to come before you enter. When this pullback happens, you don't. When this pullback happens, I won't advise you to enter immediately. Okay, as soon as this pullback happen, and then you feel and then you feel that okay, now it's retesting. Sorry. And now you feel that, okay, the market is retesting this resistance, is making it as a support now, yeah, which is the first thing you want to see. You want to make sure that it's coming back to the resistance here that is forming support, just like here, okay, and here, okay. You want to see something like that happening, okay, something like this. You want to see that happening. You want to make sure that it's retracing back to initial resistance. Now it's making it as support. So that is what you want to see. But now, when you see that there is something very important, I know a lot of people too. We also want to check for Fibonacci, and your Fibonacci is from here. So you want to check and make sure that okay, this is this retracement is at Fibonacci golden zone. We want to ensure that as well. Okay, as you can see, two things now are in sync here. The first one is the fact that the resistance here has become support for this price, and then it is at Fibonacci golden zone. But the most important thing that I do is that even when all these things happen, I don't take trade like that. I will tell you why. Sometimes when even after all these things happen, you will still discover that you just place a buy and the market will just still dropping down. And you will just discover that the market still continue to come down, and the market will not respect this 50% golden zone. It may still come down to 61% golden zone. In fact, sometimes it will come as far as 78% golden zone. So if you are a trader, if you've been in this field for a while, you might have noticed something like this. So this is why you need to do this last part. Okay, so what you need to do is that when something like this happens, you want to make sure that there is price action pattern at this point, because this is what gives you that strong confirmation that the market is going to go in your direction. Okay, so let's say as the market come to this point now, you now see something like this. You see something like this here. You see it is at this second bottom that you want to take your entry. It is at this second bottom. Immediately you see the second bottom, either you see a hammer here, or you see some kind of bullish engulfing candle at the second bottom here, at the second part of the bottom here. That is when you want to take your buy. Okay, that's when you want to take your buy. And in some cases, you may just see a retracement that looks like some kind of head and shoulder pattern. Let's say you something like this. Something like this. Let's say the market was making some kind of trend to the downside like this. Okay, some kind of trend. Then you see something like this. Okay, so basically, uh, let me just arrange this very well so that you can see what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's say the market was making another small trend to the downside, and all of a sudden it forms some kind of reverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the first shoulder, head, second shoulder. Then at the second shoulder here, that is when you want to make your entry and then hold the market to the upside. So that is what you want to look out for. And in some cases, even the double bottom may not show. That is the funny thing that a lot of people don't pay attention. There will be double bottom around here, but you will not see it. It will not be clear. That is why I'll open this very chart so that I can show you something. Now, this trade, this is Avalanche USDT. This is crypto. So I took this trade last week, and as soon as I saw this week rejection, so I was expecting some kind of retracement to this retracement. I shall want a retracement. So I don't know. I was hoping that is one important thing. First of all, just like I said, so I believe initially when the market was coming down, I thought the market will retrace around here. I shall know the market will retrace around here. That's the thing. But you can never tell. You can never tell if it's going to retrace around here or it's still going to come down and touch. It may come down to even this support level. So you can never say. So but when are you supposed, the reality is that when do I know when this market is going to go back? Now, you will discover that when the market actually got here, it moves up and then come down again. Now, this is not clear. This double bottom is not clear. The way I know if there is a double bottom when I see some kind of cluster of candlesticks, in this case, is that I will come back to this place and change these candles to line. Okay, and you see that your W pattern. You can see the W pattern is very clear. Now, I will want to take the trade as soon as I see this W pattern. I want to trade. I want to take the trade probably after this green candle, or yes, after this green candle, and place my stop loss here. But look at what happened after that. And you know the funny thing, guys? The funny thing is that I missed this trade. The reason is because I was already on other trades, and I don't like overwhelming my account. Let me show you the other trades that I said I am into. First of all, I'm into Ethereum. So I'm actually in Ethereum right now. So this is Ethereum. Today is Sunday. I'm recording this video on Sunday. So I hope market on Friday, Monday is going to perform. So not only Ethereum, I'm also in BNB. As you can see, this is BNB, and I'm also in Link Chain. So you can see Link Chain here. And then I'm also in Shiba too. So this is Shiba, and the last one is Cardano or whatever. Cardano or so. Sorry, this is Cardano here. So these are the trades that I'm into right now. Okay, so these are the trades that I'm into. So just like I explained to you, you can see this double bottom here too. Sometimes it will not be clear, so you have to come and change it to candlestick pattern. So as soon as you see this kind of cluster, you want to confirm this is a retracement that you want to confirm if this retracement is a price action pattern like double bottoms. Okay, so you just have to come here, change it to line chart, and then you will see it clearly. You can see it is actually double bottom, and I enter immediately the green candle that gave me bullish pattern. It has not even closed, but as soon as I see that healthy green candle, that was when I enter this trade. Okay, so basically that is what you want to do. You want to make sure that even after the retracement, you want to look out for your price action pattern. So this thing you will discover, this my explanation is based on uptrend market. The reverse is the same if you are trading a trending market, a bearish market. Okay, if it is a bearish market, then you want to, in that case, it's going to be double tops instead of double bottom. So there's going to be head and shoulder pattern instead of reverse head and shoulder pattern. So it's, I mean, it's just the same principle. Okay, in the other opposite side. So that is what I want to show you. And the fact that I'm showing you this on my crypto chart doesn't mean that it is for crypto. It is for Forex and crypto, even for stock too. This is a general market that you want to consider. This is a technical analysis that in fact it is more useful in Forex market than crypto market. That is just the funny thing. So that is what I want to show you today. That is what I want to teach you today. So whenever there is retracement, you want to be sure that you get price action pattern before you enter the trade. You don't just enter. Take for example now this candle form and you are wondering, oh, should I enter now? Maybe after this retracement to this resistance, just like I explained, then the market retraces and you are now wondering, what can I enter now? You don't just enter. You want to be sure that there is that price action pattern before you enter, because this thing is not certain. The market might actually drop to the downside. The might still retrace, because as even if you check now, you discover that there is nothing golden zone here. The retracement is not even close to the golden zone. Let me reduce this so that you can better see what is going on here. Okay. So you can see where my golden zone is. So you can see the level, the retracement. So ordinarily, a lot of people will be waiting for it to retrace to this level, which is actually possible. But okay, but that is one thing you want. That is why you want to wait for price action pattern to confirm your move to your move. You want to wait for that as a final confirmation. So that's what I want to show you guys. So see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It is very important. Okay, so see you in my next video.